So now guys, I'm going to introduce you to a basic kick turn, which means you can go up an incline and turn on that incline and come back down where you started. Watch me. Here, 20%, 20%, 20%, and down. Now I'm going to show you a 90-degree stall as a kick turn. Straight up, run out of power, 90 degrees, hold it, straight back down again. And now I'm going to go to a 180-degree turn on the incline. Run out of power, 180, down. To do the basic kick turn, you have to be very selective where you put your foot. This is too much. This is not enough, and this is your sweet point, so you have nice control. So I'll show you that on the board. Too much, not enough, sweet point. So you can just do your really controlled turns like this, and back the same way. And voila. So to make the classic 180 kick turn, you have to throw your whole shoulders across, and then you'll let your legs follow it. Watch this. Shoulders across, follow with the legs. Shoulders in, shoulders, 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 shoulders. If you don't move your shoulders, you won't get the movement. You won't get the propulsion that you're projecting from your body onto the wheels, onto the ground, and giving you momentum. That's it.
My turn. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Yeah.
Good, but you need to turn that front foot a little bit more 45. Don't try not to keep it so straight.
20, 20, 20, 20.
Yeah, exactly right. And now you want to do a clean one, a 90 degree, so you actually stall on the slope. Then when you're ready, you recompose yourself and go down again. Good. As you go up to do the 90, make sure you turn your foot about 45 degrees. Then you put the pressure on the back, on the tail, to lift it up just enough to take the board across, the front wheels across, without dragging the board wheels on the ground. So 1 click, 2 click.
Oh, what was that dragging last time?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good.
Okay.
1 click, 2 click. Yes.
All right.
So when you first start to do kick turns, it's quite difficult. You should start with little small increments, maybe 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees. So as soon as you get to the point where you've stopped, your speed stops, you run out of power, you just start doing your tic-tacs coming back. I can kind of show you this now. No power, but the tic-tac's coming around, straight down again. Just make small increments to start with, and then you can move on to 90 degrees, and then you can move on to 180 degrees.
If you want to start skating but are afraid that you're too old, then this channel is for you.
Skate lessons for grown-ups who want to be cool
with Skate Daddies.